It's a path, it's a road, it's something that's on the way to something else. You know, it's between the East and the city. It's between being Mexican and American.
Jewish immigrants from Eastern Europe, Yiddish-speaking immigrants, started coming to LA around the turn of the century. Brooklyn and Soto became a corner where people gathered to discuss world events, to spread news amongst one another about what was happening back home.
I grew up about 4 blocks away. Everything in my world was somewhere on this street. You call it Brooklyn because you're kind of thinking of the old days, but it's Chavez.
I am César Chávez Avenue.
I'm here at the corner of Evergreen and César Chávez Avenue, and we're on the Evergreen jogging path.
The change that I'm noticing is there are faces that we've never seen walk through here.
So she's a street vendor. She makes all Mexican type food like quesadillas, gorditas, sopes, huaraches.
César Chávez is a very noisy and pleasant place.
Somos las cumbias de Sonora.
I am the rap heard through a black Camaro window. Only a few bars, but easily recognizable.
Soy los carros que manejan feo.
Soy the barbershop.
Soy la mujer que corta pelo.
Somos las conversaciones en la noche.
Somos la gente que hablan de todo.
Soy César Chávez Avenue.